We carry a lot of brands, a lot of well-known brands. Gabriel's one of the largest jewelry companies in the world. They have fashion jewelry, silver. They're really known for their bridal. Fauna, as I mentioned earlier, very good friends of ours out of New York. Make some amazing, amazing pieces. They do a lot with colored stones and again, also bridal. Luvente, also out of New York, is one of our favorite and most popular lines in the store. Very, very beautiful fashion jewelry, very well priced. We pride ourselves on having lines for just about anybody. With our watches, we have from the high-end Carl F. Bucher down to your everyday watches, G-Shock, Citizen. All great products, all price points. And our jewelry lines are the same way. We have everything from Roberto coin at the top end down to Anya Hay and La Fawn for those nice little gift ideas that you can just stop in and pick up at any time. There's a big perception of when you walk into a jewelry store, oh my God, it's intimidating and everything's so expensive. We really do pride ourselves on having something for everyone. It doesn't matter what your budget is. You know, we have $10, $15, $20 pieces. We have $10, $15, $20,000 pieces. So we have a little bit of everything.